Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be unboxing the Blue C6. Let's get into it. Okay everyone, so the Blue C6 is a phone that I have seen at Target and I was kind of interested in it, so I figured I'd pick it up, unbox it, and try it out and all that kind of good stuff. So let's take a quick look at the back here and some of the specs. Now the specs does not seem too impressive, but we're going to look at it anyway. Now it's got a 5.5 inch HD curved glass display, a 1.3 gigahertz quad core processor, an 8 plus 2 megapixel main camera with flash, and a 5 megapixel selfie camera with a flash. Has 1 gigabyte of RAM, an SD card expansion of the 64 gigs, 3G data international, 4G HSPA plus for the US, so no LTE here, but this phone is a Go edition. That's why I picked it up. Runs Android 8.1 and it is, like I said, a Go edition phone. Let's go ahead and open the box up and just see what comes in the box. So on top, of course, is the phone. So we'll pull it out to the side. There's all your IMEI information and stuff there. So we'll go ahead and remove that as well. Okay, so on top here, looks like we have the I'm going to guess it's micro USB. If it's different, then I will mention it in the video. That's your micro USB cable. Of course, you get your wall adapter right there, as well as your battery, and you got a blue bold like a sticker. Kind of cool there. We got some user manual, stuff like that that nobody ever reads, as well as this installation guide. And it appears we also have a case, which is also really nice. Kind of got a really nice design here on the back, so we'll leave that out for the time being, as well as a screen protector. So I like the fact that Blue gives you a lot of really nice stuff included in the box, like a case, screen protector, and all that, without having to go out here and buy it right off the bat. So yeah, let's go ahead and get all this stuff here put away. We will look at the phone. Okay everyone, so the phone is now in hand, and the phone looks pretty nice. Now the back of it here, it's just a plastic design. I thought it was like a metal design, but it's really just basically plastic. I then put the battery in here and all. The back battery door is a pain to get off, so I will show you that here in a moment. Now on the back here is your dual camera setup with your flash. Got your Blue branding here. On the bottom of the phone is your microphone and your bottom firing speaker. On the right, you got a really nice textured power button, as well as your volume rocker. On top is your micro USB charging port, 3.5 millimeter headset jack. On the left, you got nothing. On the front here, just protector. Go ahead and peel that off there. Really nice. So you got your receiver, front-facing camera, your flash, 5.5 inch display, and Blue branding down here. Let's go ahead and attempt to remove this back cover once again. So the battery is already installed, and up here, of course, is your micro SD card slot, as well as your dual nano SIM card slot. So really nice to see that there on this device. So let's go ahead right now, pop back on the back cover here, snap it into place really good, as you can see, and we'll give this phone here its first boot up. So we got Blue there, bold like us. Okay everyone, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Look at the phone here. The screen looks really good. Now I got the screen right now turned down quite a bit. If I was to really brighten the screen up here, it does get very bright, and the screen does look very crisp and very clear, being HD 720. But this isn't an Android Go version here. Swipe up here to access what's available, and it's not a very smooth transition. It's got some it just don't look and feel very smooth, but you got all of your files go, Gmail go, Google go, Maps go. So that's going to help out a whole lot there with that 1 gigabyte of RAM. Let's go into the settings here and browse around a little bit. Now here in the network and internet, we have your Wi-Fi, mobile network, data usage, hotspot, SIM card, stuff like that. Can't expect no NFC, nothing like that on a device like this. You got apps notifications. You got your battery here, of course. You got your standby intelligent power saving, battery saver, battery percentage, of course, and all of that good stuff there. You have your display here for your wallpaper, adaptive brightness, sleep. You got advanced here for auto rotate screen, font size, display size, screensaver, and stuff of that nature. You got sound storage, so 2.92 gigabytes has been used out of 8 gigs, so you got 5.08 gigabytes free. You can add an SD card as well. User and accounts, got accessibility here for your text to speech, magnification, large mouse pointer, power button ends call, touch and hold delay, mono, caption, high contrast text, color correction, and color inversion. And down here at system, about device, you will see that it is running Android 8.1.0 with May 5th, 2018 security patch. So this is the only home screen right here right now. Now pull your drop down here, get your typical stuff here like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, do not disturb. You got a flashlight, really always nice to see on a phone. Portrait mode on or off, airplane data saver, as well as your location. You can also edit those as well, and you can add stuff like storage nearby, hotspot, invert color, stuff like that. So just your basic average phone here, and I kind of like the way it looks. Now if you look here on the side where I was trying to get the cover off, you will see right there that it did already mark up a little bit there. But this case here, still the case on there, and the case looks good. I like that red case. It kind of just adds a little bit extra to it. And I always love whenever these manufacturers throw in a case. So very well appreciated there when they do stuff like this. But I will definitely test this phone out and just see how it works. I want to download, graphic intense games. I want to do stuff like that to see how it does work and stuff of that nature. But so far, it's just your regular basic phone with no bloatware, and it is a Go version phone. So interested to see how this phone will turn out in everyday usage. So if this was helpful and informative, and if you like this on my channel, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.